Dealerships charge massive premiums for basic maintenance on large SUVs like the Chevy Suburban. We will show you exactly how replacing your Chevy Suburban brakes yourself using RockAuto parts saves you over $800 compared to dealership labor rates. You only need basic hand tools and a free afternoon in your driveway to complete this job safely and efficiently. A typical dealership quote for front pads and rotors on a modern Suburban easily exceeds $1,000. They mark up the factory parts significantly and charge upwards of $200 an hour for labor. Service advisors often push for unnecessary fluid flushes or hardware kits to inflate the final bill even further. Ordering your parts from RockAuto changes the entire financial equation for this repair. A complete heavy-duty brake kit with slotted rotors and ceramic pads costs around $200 shipped right to your door. These aftermarket components often exceed the factory specifications and provide better stopping power for a heavy vehicle towing a trailer. The physical replacement process is incredibly straightforward on these trucks. You lift the front end securely with a heavy-duty jack and support it on sturdy stands. Removing the large caliper bolts requires a breaker bar, but the dual piston calipers compress easily using a standard C-clamp and an old brake pad. Cleaning the hub surface with a wire brush ensures the new rotor sits perfectly flush. Applying high-temperature grease to the slide pins prevents uneven wear and keeps the new ceramic pads moving freely. Taking your time to torque every bolt to the exact factory specification guarantees a safe and professional result. Completing this job yourself keeps that $800 in your pocket for more important things. You gain total confidence knowing the job was done correctly without anyone cutting corners on your family vehicle. Your Suburban will stop smoothly and quietly for tens of thousands of miles to come.